Hi, my name's Jerry Garrettson, Tabea Law. Today we want to talk about the special immigrant visas, specifically for Afghan peoples. First of all, I just want to let everybody know that my heart goes out to the people in Afghanistan, the people that are suffering right now. And as an immigration attorney, I'm looking to be looking to do some pro bono stuff to help those folks out as much as I can. The special immigrant visa, specifically, well, let's just back up. This is a category, generally it's category number 4. And in the preference protocol, which means that it's generally takes a long time to get out. Now here, I think they're, because of the circumstances there in Afghanistan, they're making exceptions to the rules. Not 100% sure, but they're looking to expedite this. And from what I understand, which is nothing official, I'm just a lowly old immigration attorney, but from what I understand, they, of course, closed down the U.S. Embassy in Kabul and moved the immigration, the visa apparatus to the Kabul airport. And again, I don't have any firsthand knowledge on that, but what I want to talk about briefly is this cutout for visas, this section in the law that allows Afghans to get a visa to this country, which basically will act as will give them, the Afghans, the beneficiaries, a legal permanent residency. So it's like a green card. And so, of course, the issue right now is just getting them out of country. There are several requirements for the Afghan. First of all, and there may be other circumstances going on right now where they're just letting or they're just letting a lot of people get out who can get out. But anyways, this program, the special immigrant visa for Afghans, it came out of, and I'm reading out of the Kurtzbon's. This is his the latest edition, the 17th edition. But this came out of the Afghan Allies Protection Act of 2009. And basically, generally, what you're looking at is Afghans that have helped the United States in some way, more specifically as translators and or interpreters. So this visa, for sure, black letter law would be for those folks, for those Afghanis that were interpreters or translators for the Americans during the war, and for their families. So that's specifically, now, again, there's likely other cutout provisions for other folks. I'm not sure about that. I'm just dealing with this right here. There are certain numbers that are related to this, and my guess is those the caps have probably been moved upward, and but so the idea is, and you can go to the State Department, travel.state.com, and get all this information firsthand. I recommend you do that. But it's a process of filling out the paperwork and showing that the beneficiary, the Afghani, did in fact, in some translate or was an interpreter for the United States. And generally, not just for Afghan, but the special immigrant visa in general are for folks that have helped the U.S. government in some capacity. That's kind of a broader range, but we're talking this morning specifically about Afghans, and so that's what you're looking at there. So there are visas available for them, and the problem, of course, right now is just making sure they have safety and making sure they can just get out of the country. So I'm not State Department official or anything like that, not related at all. It's just an independent attorney. And so my guess is they're expediting and maybe getting people out and stopping in a safe haven somewhere and to continue the paperwork. This is an application that needs to be filed and so on and so forth. So anyways, that's it for today. There's a special conference today at 4 o'clock that I'll be attending, and I'll likely have more on this subject tomorrow in my lecture. All right. So thank you so much, and you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.